Find somewhere where you can attach the band. I like using the coffee table. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Hold on to that. You want to sit with your knees slightly bent and close to each other a little bit. You want to sit chest up, shoulders back and down. Turn your hands so your palms are down towards the floor. Now, with your elbows upward, you're going to pull back and you're going to squeeze that upper back and rear delt muscles. Breathe in on the way out, blow out on the way in. Keep those elbows up. Make sure when you come back, your arms are at a 90-degree angle, okay? You don't want your hands inward or outward too much. Perfectly 90 degrees. Notice she's not swaying back and forth. Look at her neck, she's looking nice and straight. Look at her wrists, how they're straight as well. They're not bent down or upward. During the repetitions, her hands aren't moving down or up either, okay? They're all straight.